All right, boys, let's get into the trading recap because I forgot to record it before I left for the gym. Oh my goodness, price went even higher. I mean, I still took a dub, but look at that. My win was just a baby win. There was more potential to my win. It's all right. I'm satisfied with the trade that I took. So we're gonna explain why I went long with this 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. The daily, there's really nothing to work off on the daily. I mean, we've just been chopping it up the last couple of days. I mean, you can just see just boom, 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 support and resistance, support and resistance, support and resistance. Fuck support and resistance. This is what GBP USD is turning into. Support and fucking resistance, man. Fuck Forex. The S&P, though. I can get some work done on the S&P, if you know what I mean. Okay. On the 4-hour, we had one 4-hour fair value gap that was not filled. Originally, my bias coming in today was shorts, but the reason why I went long, and I'll get to it. And then we had 4-hour draws and liquidity on the downside, okay? That have not been swept. And look at all this low resistance liquidity right here. And then if you scale down to the 1-hour, same thing. We have a 1-hour fair value. Or did it get filled? Let me see. Okay, this one barely got filled, but originally it was not filled during pre-market. And same thing with this one. We never came down to this one, okay? But the reason why I wanted to go long is because look at how beautiful this low resistance liquidity looks right here. Look at that. And there's even more. There's more of it. A bunch of unswept liquidity on the upside. But this one right here perfectly aligned with each other. So I was like, okay, hold on. If we did not sweep this during pre-market, that means it's going to get swept today. Because, I mean, look at that. It wants to sweep it. So I guarantee you what price was doing is it was coming into equilibrium. Let's see. Yep. Came into equilibrium and then shot back up. So I saw that low resistance draw liquidity, okay? And then I scaled down to the 5-minute and I marked out 5-minute equilibrium. And as you can see, we came into 5-minute equilibrium perfectly. Okay? Then you scale down to the 1-minute. I saw we created 2 bullish fair value gaps, okay? We came down, filled both of those. I was going to enter right here, but I was like, I want a little bit more confirmation, so I waited for this candle to close, and then I entered right here. I put my stop right on this 1-minute fair value gap, and then I put my just one take profit today because we have FOMC today as well as CPI tomorrow, so it's kind of going to be a little bit of shitty price action, which, I mean, obviously it wasn't today, but usually when there's no news Monday, Tuesday, and then you got FOMC on a Wednesday, like price action is going to be a little shitty, especially with CPI coming out the next day. But I mean, I was totally wrong on that part. But anyways, I had one take profit and it was just right above the low resistance liquidity. And you can see, boom, got hit. 1-to-1, risk to reward. Easy, baby. All right, boys. Well, that was the trade for today. I think now I'm going to go hit a bucket of balls. Work on my golf swing, and then I got work in a bit. But I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and hopefully I will see you tomorrow for another juicy trading recap. Love y'all.